everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to use speech to text in Windows 11. So this feature is really useful if you want to type faster or simply prefer speaking instead of using your keyboard. And in here, Windows can automatically turn your voice into text in real time. So first, just open any applications where you can enter text, such as Notepad, Microsoft Word like this, or even your web browser. And then after that, click inside the text field and press Windows plus 8. Just press Windows plus 8 at your keyboard. Windows plus 8 like this. And then after that, you will you will see the voice typing toolbar appear on your screen like this. Next, just Windows will automatically convert your voice into text as you talk like this. You can see it. And that's it. Now you can type hands-free using your voice on Windows 11. And okay, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.